Hi, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Iphone Bloke, where we help quality people to pick up quality products. So, in today's video, I'm very excited, and I'm excited because of one particular reason. This is my first ever brand new gadget review with context to laptop. So, before I start and get going, I want to say a quick thanks to my dealer who gave me this fantastic laptop, which is pretty much in demand right now, recently launched. And for someone like me who is a new YouTuber, this wasn't quite, that easy to get, dealers to talk to you and get you new gadgets to review. So thank you so much without revealing the name of my dealer. And I'm very happy. Okay, so before we kick start this wonderful laptops review, let me give you the title. This is Dell Latitude 5300, 8 gigabytes, Intel i8 processor, and 300 is the overall capacity. It's a business professional laptop primarily developed for people those who travel as corporate professionals, for people those who do multitasking business, and the high end performance. So before we kickstart this entire journey, I'm going to be focusing on five basic features. First is going to be design, right? Now, if you see the design of this laptop, it's incredibly slim. Normally when it comes to the word slim, we talk about Macintosh, we talk about LG, we talk about Samsung, but then Dell with this particular business laptop, they have literally nailed the design. It's ultra premium. If you see the overall backup, if you see the design of the phone, it's seriously beautiful. It does all your job. It has fantastic HD screen, upgraded resolution till 2180 pixels. It has mind-boggling keyboards with so-called alphanumeric. They have not even given so-called a separate function of a keyboard, but overall the performance of this laptop, if you talk to me, is just incredible in terms of at least design, the way it feels in your hand. So that's a bit about its slim design. Number two, performance. Now here is the big deal. Whenever you go and buy a corporate laptop or a laptop which you normally look for business professionals, let's say for AVP, CEOs, or heavy developers, let's say YouTubers, this is a kind of a laptop you must want to have in your pocket, because with the help of Intel IT processor, it comes inbuilt with the Windows Platform 10 operating system. It has fantastic performance in terms of doing multitasking, so you can do anything whatever you want. You would never ever feel, let's say, slow while doing your job or while operating any such heavy game or any such let's say HD graphical representation. So it easily does your job in a jiffy, because 8 i8 Intel i-core processor along with the overall build of this fantastic device is gonna sail you through your entire day without having any hiccups. So performance, according to me, I was like blown away. So that's number two about performance. Number three, which is a big selling point for a lot of us, those who are working professionals and those who are YouTubers, bloggers, or people who are in the professional field: battery backup. Now, I'm little disappointed with the battery backup of this particular Dell laptop, because I thought if it's so much costly, it must be having a punch with battery backup. So personally, when I experienced this, after let's say 2 hours of charging, I was only able to receive close to 3 hours of battery backup, which is for me is absolutely disappointing, because I think if you're paying close to 1 lakh rupees for a product like this, and if I say in dollars around about $800 for this product, it's not that affordable when it comes to low battery performance. So 3 hours, a little disappointing in terms of battery performance. Number four, which is great boon for people those who love to have entertainment, the audio quality. The audio quality of Dell 5300 Latitude version is outstandingly good. It is to my surprise, it has indeed given me a great punch while listening to a lot of English beats and Hindi beats. And trust me, altogether, this is a best selling laptop if you're looking for so called Dolby digital experience and feel. It will make your day. It's loud enough to play if you want to play this as a speaker as well, because I normally, when I do not have worked with YouTube blogging on my my work. I really use this laptop for my personal music listening, and making a presentation and a lot of other things. It does my job in a very efficient manner. So loudness with context to music is absolutely incredible. Last but not the least, is this a laptop for every corporate, every individual who works multitasking, who does great job in the corporate or YouTube or media industry? Now, if I go with my verdict, I would say uh, yes. I mean, 90,000 rupees for this particular Dell Latitude 5300 is quite worth because of its performance. Sound quality is out of this world. I mean, you would love it. Speed, HD video features, capacity, and the only drawback I felt with this laptop is it is not having a great battery life, let's say as Macintosh, or let's say a high end configuration laptops which we have in the market from Asus and some other devices. So that's the only drawback. But rest, if I have to give you my verdict, I would say it scores 8.5 in my review out of 10 when it comes to worth buying laptops. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And till we meet next time, do take a very good care of yourself. This is a friend Amit signing off, and thanks for watching.